Guys, what worked for me might not work for you. Ito yung palagi kong sinasabi na I'm just giving my own advice, my own experiences, and mga reminders lang yung gusto kong sabihin dito sa channel ko. So, it is still your choice. Skin nyo yan. So, kayo bahala. But, please be mindful about the products that you are using to your skin because, again, your skin is very important kasi everyday natin siyang suot. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So, welcome to another episode of unboxing and review of another brand. So, this one is from Korea. Again, kahit ito ay sponsored, I will still give my honest review about this product. So, I'm so blessed na nabibigyan ako ng chance to review their product. So, let's open it now. So this product is from INNISFREE Korea. So thank you so much INNISFREE for this products. I will now open it. This is from Style Korean. Yeah! Ito pinaka-favorite ko talaga. So for today's episode, we will be talking about INNISFREE, which is a Korean skincare brand which is inspired by nature and is well known for its natural benefits that they get from Jeju Island. So they are also known to have skin-loving products and earth-loving actions. So they claim to be a pure island where clean nature and healthy beauty coexist in harmony. So they sent me their products from their TrueCare line. So for them, for the skin to respond easily to environmental changes or small irritations, their products are filled with pure active ingredients that are mild yet effective. So if you guys do not know na I'm into products that are just mild or soothing lang sa face, and I avoid products that has too many chemicals on. I'm so happy that this brand is inspired by nature and their products are made with ingredients that are mild and for people with sensitive skin. What I really love most about this product is they claim to have true effect, true formula, and true ingredients. So those three are from their TrueCare line. So I'm really excited to try these products and I'm so excited to give my reviews about them. Just a reminder that these products should be consumed 36 months before opening and 12 months after opening. So it is important that we always check the expiration date of the products and For the True formula, they said that they removed all the unnecessary ingredients and they only select those that can benefit our skin or those that are essentials to our skin. For the True effect, they formulated different products to target specific skin concerns. So it is really important that we know what skin types or what skin concerns we have to target. So different products have different skin concerns to treat. So it is really important that we know or we study our skin well before trying anything onto our skin. For the True ingredients, as I have said, different products are formulated for specific skin concerns, so they also use specific ingredients for those specific products to target our skin concerns. So if you guys are interested in knowing the products that are under their TrueCare line, then keep on watching. So let's first discuss mini samples here ng mga products from their TrueCare line. So I at least use it for a week. What I love most about their products is they do not include artificial fragrance for all their products. This Calamine 6.5 cleanser. So ito, ang alam ko talaga is kapag cleanser is pang-cleanse. Ito yung first step natin sa skincare routine aside from the soap, and then itong cleanser. So this cleanser is for clearing the waste or the skin waste and skin troubles at the same time, and it has formula that can control excess oil. So it also has gel type texture, so mas madali siyang i-apply sa skin. And guys, unlike other cleansers, is less stressful to sa skin kasi they do not contain chemicals. It is mild pH 6.5 cleanser that enables skin tightening and refreshing cleansing experience. And what I love most is it can be used for day and night. So guys, pwedeng gamitin tong cleanser na to hindi lang for the face but also for our body. Kung madami kang stock, then go. Next is meron din tayong mga samples na nandito. So ito is the Soothing Ampule and this toner pad. So let's first discuss this toner pad. So itong toner pad has mild pH 8 to clear the skin texture without causing irritations, and it also allows gentle exfoliation. It can be used to wipe away flaky dead skin cells and also makeup residue. So guys, meron tong two sides, so hindi ko muna siya open, which is the embossed and the smooth side. So the embossed side is for removing the excess oil into our face, and the other side or the smooth side is to smoothen the skin texture. So we also have samples for Soothing Ampule. So this is used for severely oily and severely dry skin. So alin man kayo doon is pwede nyo itong gamitin. It contains propolis extracted from beehives. So this Soothing Ampule can penetrate the skin more quickly and more effectively for simultaneous exfoliation, hydration, and skin barrier strengthening. Nagkakaroon tayo ng problems sa skin dahil yung sa mga clogged pores natin or yung naiipon na dirt sa face natin or mga dead skin cells na nagko-collect sa skin natin and hindi siya na ilalabas or hindi siya na-discharge dahil sa mga nakaklag natin na pores. So it is really important that we take care of our skin and nag-exfoliate pa rin tayo every once in a while. So what I love about this toner is it can remove whiteheads or blackheads or mga clogged pores natin. So next is this Intensive Balm. Wala siyang English translation dito sa likod. Kung gagamit man tayo nito, isuunahin natin yung Essence Intensive Balm and then ito ng cream. So what I really love about this product, So what I really love about this product is it is made with centella. So it has 3-step process in order to repair the damage of our skin. Itong Intensive Balm is nakakapag-boost siya ng skin immunity. It has its own defense mechanism to protect itself. Next is nakakapag-repair siya ng skin damage. And then third, it builds a moisturizing barrier. So lahat ng products na to is for moisturization talaga. So I super love it. It is very lightweight. It is gel type. So it easily spreads kapag nilagay and nag-a-adhere siya sa skin. skin. So guys, reminder lang, kung gumagamit tayo nitong intensive balm is maglagay tayo ng sunscreen kasi pwedeng ma-irritate yung skin natin kapag nagbirad tayo sa araw kasi gumagamit tayo nitong intensive balm. So, put sunscreen, please guys. So, it is much recommended to use this intensive balm kapag gabi para hindi tayo ma-expose sa sunlight. Pwede naman siyang gamitin na for spot lang kung meron tayong skin concerns na dun mo lang siya ilalagay dun sa areas of concern natin. So, next, we have this Moist Recovery Cream. So, ito siya. Nagpo-focus naman kaya siya, girl. We have this TrueCare Moist Recovery Cream. So again guys, dahil walang box itong mga samples na to is hindi ko siya mabasa. For all the consumers out there na gustong i-try itong mga products na to is hindi talaga nila malalaman kung anong nandito unless magre-research talaga siya. So ito guys, nag-research talaga ako para sa inyo. So itong recovery cream is free from artificial fragrance. So I can testify with that. It is free from artificial fragrance. Wala talaga siyang amoy. Ginagamit itong recovery cream to treat severe dryness. So, kung feel nyo is dry talaga yung skin nyo, magagamit nyo tong recovery cream to treat dryness. It is hypoallergenic tested. Dumaan talaga itong mga products na to sa masusing pag-aaral. It is also for moisturizing or moisturization. So, yun yung gusto ko sa TrueCare line kasi for sensitive skin siya and for moisturizing, lalo na sa mga oily skins na naglalack ng moisture sa face. So, number one ingredient dito is the camellia butter, which is an excellent moisturizer. It is easily absorbs on the skin. It's soft. And kapag in-apply mo siya is minimum lang yung oiliness na mag-a-appear sa face. Next product that we have here is their TrueCare Panthenol 10 Moisture Skin, which is dermatologically tested and it's super big guys. This mild formula contains panthenol 10%, delivers moisture into skin and strengthens the skin's moisture barrier. It helps to hydrate your skin from within while retaining long-lasting dewiness. Guys, it is up to you if you want to use a cotton pad or if you want to use your bare hands and using this product. It's okay lang naman. It's perfect for hydration, for oily skin. So, guys, kahit na oily yung skin natin, huwag natin iisipin na marami siyang moisture kasi itong mga excess oil na lumalabas, hindi siya healthy. So, meron mga skin na kahit oily siya or shiny siya outside is dry siya on the inside. So, it is really important that we give our skin the moisturizer it deserves. So, meron din silang binigay na ganito, which is for sample. And this is also made with 10% panthenol, which is a moisture protector. So, panthenol offers an exceptional prevention of water evaporation that hydrates skin and strengthens the skin barrier all at the same time. Ang content ng panthenol na meron dito twice as much as their cream, which is just 5% lang. So ito, 10% talaga yung panthenol na meron siya that gives our skin the moisture it deserves. This TrueCare Non-Nano Sunscreen SPF 48 PA+++. As far as I know, it is really important that we find sunscreen products that have PA+++ sign on it because these products are tested for UV rays or blue rays, so mas mapoprotektahan yung skin natin sa sunlight, and hindi lang sa sunlight but also from the radiation that we get from our gadgets at home. So it has an ingredient that is non-nanoparticle, which means the size of its ingredients are much bigger than of our pores, so hindi siya easily ma-absorb ng balat. So for those who are suffering from acne or other skin conditions, you do not have to worry because this product is non-comedogenic tested, which means it doesn't induce acne, therefore it is safe for sensitive skin. But it is water-based, so it is rich in moisture and it gives you a light finish. So unlike other sunscreens, hindi mo siya mararamdaman and hindi siya sticky kasi water gel or water-based siya. And it is also tinted. So, kapag in-apply mo siya sa face mo, pwede mo na din siyang gamitin as your foundation kasi tinted siya. So, they also gave me this small size na sunscreen for me to try before applying it onto my face. So, I can give you a swatch of it. So, guys, ito siya. Water gel. Super easy niyang i-apply. Blendable. And tinted talaga. Super wearable for everyday. And guys, that's really important that we put sunscreen before going outside or even at home to protect ourselves from UV rays or blue light. Palagay dito na ang sunscreen nila has mild formula contained with non-nano mineral filters, protect skin from the UVB rays while reducing the sun's harmful. Itong sunscreen is last stage of our skincare routine. Importante din to na wag kang magbababad sa ilalim ng init ng araw kahit na may sunscreen ka pang suot. Kasi, yun, wag. Thank you so much, INNISFREE. And I super love these products. So you can visit their social media accounts to know more about their products. So I will be including their Instagram account here. And please watch out for more videos. Please like and subscribe on my channel. And watch out for more reviews, for more videos, and for more products. So see you on my next vlog.